Good day, biomates. So I'm Praveen Rajagopal. This is Mr. Biomedical, and this video we are going to see about the water splashing, as you can see, from C311 analyzer. So in this case, it is very easy to solve, but still I'm for the entry level biomates it can be useful. So let's see how to do that. It is very easy to do. So first step is remove the screws. And then trace the pipe where is going, which is going which side. So it is most important. So in this case, I found the probe is rings probe, and it is going to the right side. So make sure you are removing the correct one. As you can see, I'm removing the faultiest tube from the machine, from this end to that end, and remove it with a new tube. Make sure the new tube is clearly fit to the probe. Okay, and now I fix the new one.
Open here.
Now you can see clearly the water is not splashing out, and make sure you are putting the new tube clearly. So now you can see there is no splash. So that's it for now, and if you haven't subscribed my channel, subscribe now to get more updates, and we'll do something else in the next video. See you soon.